Hey guys, we're back. Where are we? Got to come back to Ollie's Burger, the best burger in the Philippines by far.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I think I'm gonna do the favorite, man, this jalapeno burger right here on the wall. That's what keeps me coming in. That is my favorite burger at Ollie's Burger. They all look great though. Look at this monster right here. It's got everything on it. Chicken, beef, hot dogs, eggs. Man, that thing's loaded. They've got some great burgers in here, guys. You guys still have live music? Live music on the weekends, band? Every night now. Oh, it used to be on the weekends only. Every night. These guys have live music.
Monday to Sunday, sir.
I'll take a look out here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they got a little stage set up right here. Perfect. We chose to come inside for two reasons. The music. The music will get us, number one. And number two, it's air conditioning. We got air conditioning in here, even though it is a nice evening out tonight. But it's the music will get the video, guaranteed. All right, for those of you that's never seen our Ollie's Burger restaurant review, here's the menu, guys. It hasn't really changed much. I think it's the same menu. There's a couple of things that are X'd out, like they're not available right now, but all the goodies here at Ollie's, man, they have a great selection of burgers, and their fries are great too, guys.
Oh, the fries, they're delicious.
They are. They make great fries here. So yeah, we're ready for round two here at Ollie's. It's been about a year.
I was craving for Ollie's since the last week.
Now you can order them on Grab, and
You can, but it's gonna be mush.
yeah, it's not as good as being here. It's okay. Still a great burger, even on Grab. So if you have to do it, do it. But I recommend coming in here, getting these fries right out of the oil, crunchy on your table. Because once you get fries ordered by Grab, even if it's 10 minutes away, it's still not like it should be. But highly recommend coming to the restaurant here. I'll put a map at the end of the video where the Ollie's is if you're not familiar with it. It's gotta be the best place to get a burger in the Philippines for sure. One of the best burgers I've eaten anywhere. That's my claim.
Yep.
On our top 10 list, Ollie's. All right, guys. I went ahead and got my favorite. Mercy got the Juicy Lucy right here. It's a double patty. That's the difference between the Juicy Lucy cheeseburger and the regular cheeseburger. And that one is a single patty, where this one is a double patty. And Mercy went for the double patty, of course. If you're gonna do it right, honey?
Exactly.
And I am doing my bacon jalapeno, man. I just gotta stick with it. Bacon jalapeno burger. Delicious. You'll see in a minute. All right, everybody, we got a Juicy Lucy on board here, and I was wrong. It's a big, thick patty versus two patties is what that is. Look at that burger. Oh, and here's the bacon jalapeno. Look at that, guys. I gotta lift this bun off here and show you what's underneath. Deliciousness is what's underneath right there. Look at those jalapenos on there. Delicious. Two patties, bacon in the middle. And here's the salt and pepper fries. Like I said before, you can order one bowl of these fries.
Carefully hot.
They are hot, piping hot, and it's enough for us. We don't need two bowls of these. There's enough for two people right here, along with these giant burgers, I'm telling you. Delicious, guys. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. It's been a while.
This is hot.
Got burn your mouth over there? she's trying to eat these hot fries, and it's just not happening.
I was confused.
Oh, you got a hot sauce. She poured hot sauce on her plate instead of ketchup. There you go.
Dummy.
That's it. I'll do a mixture of both. Mercy had extra onions on there. She's got a lot, and she gave up some for me. I'll take them. I'll add those to my jalapeno burger. All the sound effects here, right? Oh, what do you put, mayonnaise too?
Yeah.
Ketchup?
Just a little bit.
On top of the signature sauce? Take a bite of that burger and let us know what it's all about.
I need a bigger mouth.
Can you even get your mouth around that thing? Oh my gosh, you can't. How juicy is that, Lucy?
Very juicy.
We have gloves over here. You sure you don't want to put the gloves on? Yeah, I think you need to. You need a bib too. You're gonna get it all over your shirt. Eat over the table, baby.
I'm messy.
She is a messy girl. She does tend to spill food in her lap and shirt all the time.
Yeah.
All right, you got your gloves going. That's the best thing to do. Look at the size of this burger. I mean, oh my gosh. I gotta try to eat on this. I guarantee you there will not be one bite left of this burger. Not one.
It's gonna be real messy, guys.
Got the gloves on now.
Look.
Now go for it. You couldn't even get a real bite of that before.
No.
Oh my goodness. What a burger.
Messy, but
I know it. Oh, I'm gonna go for that bacon right there.
look. It's greasy.
One of the best things here is the beef. They use great beef.
You have. I'm
All right.
telling you, it's missing.
There we go. One of the best things here is the beef, quality of the beef.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Good quality.
Look at that.
Oops.
Dropped it in your lap. I'm the one making it messy on you now.
Uh-oh.
That is delicious, guys.
Oh yes, you have to come and try these delicious
These fries,
items.
crispy.
Oh, they're
delicious,
crispy. Yeah.
Cut right here in house. This is no frozen fry, guys.
No,
It's a
no, they're-
real deal.
Fresh.
Yummy's right.
Very good.
I love when I get caught vlogging mid-vlog. Girl, you're doing pretty damn good on that sandwich.
You got me.
Look at this. She's about 2/3 in
I
on
was
this thing.
dreaming with this, Papi.
Oh, I know it. Very good. Yeah, I'm about halfway through mine. It is. I'm already getting full. I know I'm going to be able to eat it, but I'm going to be miserable driving home. That's for sure. And these fries, guys, I can't say enough. Delicious. And they got that good ketchup here too, like Heinz or some good brand ketchup. They don't use that sweet stuff. This is good. All right, guys. As always, here's the damages. Our total bill is 970 pesos. We had no problem polishing this off. We left a couple of fries. There's nothing left of these burgers. What did you think after a year of not having Ollie's?
Oh man, it never changed.
Yep,
Good.
it's still the best.
Still the best.
Still the best burger in Angeles City as far as I'm concerned. I haven't found a better one to beat these guys yet. So come on down to Ollie's if you haven't tried it. Maps at the end of the video. Appreciate you guys subscribing and watching our videos. Give us a big thumbs up if you will. We'd appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll see you on the next video.
See ya.